guys and welcome to Carflix. Today I'm going to show you how to fit these super bright rear number plate lights. So without further ado, let's crack on with that video. So here they are. You get the complete unit that's all built in and you simply connect them. Well, that's what I'm hoping for anyway. If you remember on my previous video, I showed you how to change the bulb itself, the 501 bulb. But the problem with that is they're not very bright because a lot of LED bulbs aren't very good at direction. So I've gone for super bright ones this time. I will put the link in the description below and we'll go and get these fitted now. Okay, so you join me under the car. And these are the two units, and all you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver to get these out. So I'm now going to prise these open with my flathead. Obviously I can't use both hands, so I will do this off camera and then show you how to do it. Right, so to give you an idea, the clip is at this side, on the left hand side. So what you do is you get it in there and push it in and then prise it down, and that allows you to pull the whole unit out. Like so. And then obviously this is the replacement unit. All we're going to do, it's an exact copy, is plug the new plug into here and then put it back in. To disconnect the connector, all you do is get your flathead screwdriver in there and lift it over that nib there, like that. So being an eBay special, it took a bit of prizing to get that on. I did check the connections. So what I'm going to do, because it doesn't seem to be going all the way down, I will check if it's coming on with the light. So I'm going to go and check that now. If you're enjoying this video so far, why not consider liking and subscribing? There you go, they are working fine. So always check them before you put them in. So it is a bit of a price, not a perfect fit. It's probably universal fitting, so just bear with it. You will have to put a bit of pressure on that to get it to fit. Now the other thing I've noticed is it had some rubber foam that was coming all the way along here, which ours don't have on the original. So I'm going to take that off because that's preventing it from clipping back in. So we're going to clip that back in now. So what I've had to do is take all that foam off. So now hopefully it will allow me to clip this in. And there you go, you have to take the foam off and then it does clip in. I'm now going to do the other side. So again, you push your screwdriver in this side, you squash this down and then pull it down, and then this should then release. You see how dusty it is. It has been in there like 12-13 years. Again, check it, it was a bit of a squeeze. This side weirdly was easier to push in, but with these they don't push all the way down like the standard one does. So just make sure they work and then clip them back in. And there you have it, they're both in. Weirdly, the foam didn't affect this side, so it's probably something to do with the fact I've got a camera here, but I got it to work anyway. Right, let's go and see what it looks like with the lights on. And there you go, even in the daylight, look how cool that looks. Now I will do a night shot for you as well. And this is how it looks at night. How cool does that look, and how much brightness does that put on the floor? It looks super cool. Thanks ever so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.